Good morning everyone. My name is Tarun Pal Gandhi and today we will be discussing about 7 strategies of successful readers. So stay tuned with us and watch the video till end. The first quality is they use existing knowledge to make sense of new information. Successful readers reflect on the knowledge they have gained through previous readings, lectures, labs, experience, etc. to make sense of the new material they encounter in a reading. They make connections between prior information and the new information. Second one, they ask questions about the text before, during, and after reading. It is very helpful to start with a set of questions before reading and continue to reference those questions as well as add new both during and after reading. Questioning is a way to get you engaged with the reading material so that you come away from the reading with greater understanding. Third one, they draw inference conclusions drawn from evidence from the text. Good readers connect to the reading material by making inference from the information being presented. These inferences are conclusions that can be made from the evidence the author has provided the reader. It is like the reader is a detective that uses the clues, information from the text to make conclusions about the case. Number 4, they monitor their comprehension. Successful readers make sure that they are understanding the text as they are reading. They do not rush through a reading and then realize they do not understand it. Instead, good readers make sure to take their time and peruse and pause to monitor whether or not they are comprehending the material or not. Number 5, they use fix-up strategies when meaning breaks down. A successful reader makes sure to stop and repair any breakdown in understanding. They do not continue reading when they do not comprehend the text. They will use some strategy or technique that works for them to fix the confusion. For some suggested strategies, go to the Fix-up strategy tab on the live guide. Number 6, they determine what is important. A good reader knows that not every single word or piece of information needs to be retained from a reading. A successful reader will identify the main ideas, key terms on praise, and the supporting ideas in a text. Number 7, they synthesize information, combine various components into a new whole to create a new thinking. When an effective reader encounters new reading material, they take that information and blend it with other information either from the same text, same author text, on the same subject, or even text from other subject areas. This blending or synthesis leads to new ways of understanding and thinking about the reading material or subject matter. Sign of confusion. The voice inside the reader's head is not interacting with the text. The second reason is the camera inside the reader's head shuts off. The third reason is the reader's mind begins to wander. The fourth reason, the reader can't remember what has been read. Number 5, clarifying questions asked by the reader are not answered. Number 6, the reader re-encounters a character and has no recollection when that character was introduced. So these are the sources from where we have taken this information. So this was today's video. Thank you so much for watching and listening. May God bless you all, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in future. Thank you so much.